Hey everybody, Justin Vodenell here for Rich & Sons. Hey, we just got in a brand new planogram of lights that we got in. Diamond is the company who is providing the lights. They're a great company, been around for a long time. But basically we've got your incandescent lights, which is your traditional lights. We've got all the different styles that you could pretty much want. We've got all your LED bulb replacements as well, so if you want to upgrade your bulbs, you can do that as well. We've also got your light fixtures in LED, from single pancake to double pancake lights. And then we've also got the LED version of your fluorescent bulbs as well, so if you wanted to upgrade those, you could do that too. But this is something brand new for us as far as this company. We've had them around for a little while, but we actually got everything switched over to Diamond just a couple weeks ago. So everything looks great. Prices are really good as well. So if you guys got any questions, you want to upgrade some items, whatever, come on in, see us. We'd be happy to help you out. As always, give us a call, 308-384-2009.